In today's Costco grocery haul, I'm going to show you guys all of the healthy, high-protein, plant-based, gluten-free groceries that I purchased today. We're going to go through the produce, the canned goods, the pantry staples, the frozen stuff, everything. And I'm also going to show you throughout the video some of the healthy meals that I regularly make with the ingredients that I purchased from Costco. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe below because I post grocery haul videos like this all the time. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'm also going to share with you the grand total of what I spent both in Canadian and American dollars. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the produce first. Now, there's nothing really like out of the ordinary that I've bought here today. It's all pretty regular stuff. So let's start with the cucumbers. I bought a 3-pack and honestly, I go through cucumbers a lot every week. And I also recently just made a totally delicious sumac salad recipe that recently hit the channel, which you can check out right here. They're so good and they're so crunchy and I just love them and they're super healthy. Next up, I got a whole bunch of citrus fruits. We got a big bag of lemons and a big bag of limes. I recently got back from Mexico and I really need to like detox my body, so I'm gonna be drinking a lot of lemon water this week. And I always put limes in my morning green smoothies, so that's why I always get a big bag. Got a bunch of bananas and I also got some cauliflower and broccoli. Those are also something I use a lot of, especially lately. I've been doing like this broccoli chickpea casserole, which I actually recently posted on my channel up here as well, so you can check that out if you're interested in seeing the recipe. And then we got a big bag of avocados. It's a great source of natural plant-based fat, so good for you. And I also got a big bag of the little mini potatoes. I love mini potatoes because you can just pop them in your air fryer for like 20 minutes and they get all crispy and they're so good. On that note, if you're looking for a delicious way to roast some potatoes, I recently posted in a What I Eat in a Day a really yummy lemony garlic herby roasted potato recipe, and it is so good. So make sure you check it out. So moving on to our canned goods and our pantry essentials, something I always buy at Costco, and you've probably seen me buy in several other Costco hauls, is their canned coconut milk. They come in a pack of 6 and this brand is just so good. I use them for so many things, desserts, curries, soups. I just love coconut milk and it's like such a good deal at Costco. I also bought another flat of tomato paste. I do use tomato paste for a lot of things, thickening sauces, adding them to soups, chilies, stews. It's just something that like makes my life so easy and it just adds so much flavor to your meal, so that's why I use it. And then I also got another flat of chickpeas. I often will also buy the black beans, but I already have a ton of them in my cupboard. So I got some more chickpeas because they are a wonderful source of plant-based protein and fiber. And then something else that I always buy at Costco because it's the best deal around and you get a big jar of it. Better than a bouillon vegetable base. It's what I use for veggie broth and pretty much every recipe I use that requires veggie broth, so it's very delicious. And then I also got something that's kind of random and I would not normally buy, but they were giving out samples today and I tried it and it was so good. We got some sun-dried tomatoes preserved in oil and oh, they're so good. They were like, I could not say no, and they're on sale. So definitely gonna use those in recipes like pastas and pestos and all sorts of yummy things. Next up, we got a gargantuan jar of Kalamata olives. They are by far my favorite olive, and I use them a lot in recipes like Greek salads, Mediterranean pastas, and now that we're getting into the warmer weather, I just start craving them more and they go into a lot more of my cooking. Got another bottle of maple syrup. I always have it in my house because it is pretty much my sweetener of choice. I use it for all kinds of baked goods and sweetening things. Everyone loves maple syrup. And then here we have a bag of quinoa because I use it a lot. It's high in protein. It is actually a complete protein in case you didn't know that, which is good if you work out, trying to build those strong muscles. I use it as a grain base for all sorts of recipes like Buddha bowls, grain bowls, salads. Sometimes I mix it into things like curries or soups. So quinoa is a staple here in my house. And then we also got some of this brown rice ramen. If you're a noodle lover like I am, I go through ramen noodles like they're going out of style. I recently actually just posted a totally delicious recipe using these brown rice ramen noodles. They are my peanut noodles because they're made with not peanuts, and they're so good. You can definitely check them out on my channel. And the reason I usually buy these ones is because they are actually quite higher in protein than just the kind of generic white rice noodles. There's like 8 grams of protein per little brick of noodles, which is pretty significant. Next up, we got some protein powder from Vega. Now, I'm not sure if you have ever tried shopping for protein powder at Costco, but there's really not many options at Costco for vegan protein powder. This happens to be the only choice that I have ever had at Costco, so that's why I buy it. It's not bad, it's not too bad. It's a vanilla flavor, and I mostly use it just for my green smoothies. But I will say, if you're looking for other protein powders that just come in so many other flavors and are so delicious, I highly recommend you check out Good Protein. I have a really awesome promo code for you to save a few bucks on your first order, so make sure you check out my code for that. See all the delicious flavors they have. Moving on to some more of the refrigerated items, I got kind of a splurgy item here with my POM juice. I can't even remember the last time I bought POM because it's usually so astronomically expensive, but it was on sale today and I'm really craving some antioxidant boosting things in my life right now because just got back from Mexico, I drank a lot and I need to detox. So this is definitely gonna come in handy this week. And then moving on, we got some hummus. Now, I actually do usually buy hummus from Costco. If I'm gonna buy it, it's usually from Costco because they have such good deals on hummus. They come in like 2 packs. So we got 2 of these 2 packs, which is like 4 containers for just over 10 bucks, which is kind of insane. And they're really, really good. I like this brand a lot. And then we got another kind of splurgy item, something we don't normally buy, and it's perhaps not the most healthy food, but it does look delicious. We got some veggie spring rolls, and I checked, they are totally vegan. There's no animal products in them, and they look really good. This here is one of my new favorite Costco discoveries as of late, frozen green chickpeas. Now, I have been using these quite a lot when I buy them. I do like to throw them into smoothies. I like to make dips and hummuses out of them. They're just like a really delicious, quick way to incorporate plant-based protein into so many different kinds of meals. And to be honest, they don't really taste a lot different than just regular canned chickpeas, but I have heard they are a little bit higher in protein and they are a little bit more nutritious and slightly lower in calories. So it's kind of one of those purchases I just kind of always make now. Wrapping up the refrigerated and frozen stuff, we got 2 boxes, oh that's 4, 2 boxes of Beyond Meat burgers. It was a good deal. We usually only get 1 box, but we're in playoff season in hockey, and some nights you just feel like eating a burger and fries in front of the TV while watching the hockey game. So that's mainly why I bought them. You know, you gotta enjoy life and you have to enjoy your food, and sometimes you just need a bag of chips or a bag of cheesies on hand. And so we got chips and we got cheesies. Now, I have actually never tried these Hippies snacks. They're like a puffed chickpea cheesy, but they're vegan and they're gluten-free and they're on sale and they are actually relatively high in protein. So it was kind of a no-brainer. I am so excited to try them. Maybe I should try them on camera for you. Quick taste test. Oh, they smell good. Oh, oh yes. Oh my God, I'm in trouble. And then we also got some Terra veggie chips. They're a classic, love them. Haven't bought them in ages, but they're just a nice little healthy-ish veggie snack that I love. All right, drum roll. That's my drum roll. The moment you've all been waiting for, the grand total of this grocery haul came to $218 US, $300 Canadian. Let me know what you think of that. Too high? Pretty good deal? I don't know, you tell me. If you guys love grocery hauls, make sure you subscribe below. I do these videos all the time. And also, subscribe if you love high protein, healthy, gluten-free, plant-based recipes, because that's what I'm all about. It's what I do on this channel. And before you head out, make sure you check out this video right here, which is one of my latest Costco grocery hauls. Or if you want to see some of the recipes that I mentioned in this video, watch this video right here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye!